Hi, Aman. He's built a brand called Boat. This is in the hearable space. Um, it's the largest wearable brand in India and something in the world which I'll leave to you to describe. It's a journey that's taken not more than 8 years. Um, a lot of the learnings that we've shared over the first session and what you've been hearing over the day were actually incepted in the offices of both. Aman, very quickly, what's been your journey like and what's been your experience over the last 8 years building both?
Hi, hi everyone. So, Boat, as you were saying, is now India's #1 audio brand for last 13 quarters, and now we are world's second largest audio brand. Thank you for the claps. So, yeah, it's something which I remember. I also didn't dream about, right? It's something which the first time when I met Kaval, and everybody knows I love Kaval. When I met him, and he was like, "Let's build some great brands from India." तो I said, "सर हम भी बनाएंगे, बहुत बढ़िया ब्रांड बनाएंगे." तो कहते कितना बड़ा ब्रांड बनाओगे? तो मैंने बोला सर 300 करोड़ तक लेके जाएंगे. But he says, "No, my dream is to build a couple of 1,000 crore brands from India, right?" तो मैं बोला अजीब, मैं समीर को बोला मैं अजीब है यार, 1,000 crore का ब्रांड हम थोड़ी बना सकते हैं. That time like we never dreamt of that India say we can build a 1,000 crore brand. And that is what, Kaval and you and Dipanjan and, everybody thought कि India से बन सकता है. I didn't have that dream. So thank you, Fireside, for, putting that dream on us. And then the problem was when I built a 1,000 crore brand, then I go to Kaval, Kaval बना लिया 1,000 crore brand, अब तो शाबाशी दे दो. So he's like that father who never gives shabashi. He's like, now the next padao is 10,000 crores. I said, sir. So thank you for pushing us there. And I don't think, I was, in the morning I was at one of the sessions on building global brands. I think in India, we are, as you were saying, the second largest audio brand. And we have not even gone outside India. India doesn't, our population is larger than, I think, our middle class is large, our population is so large that you can only be in India and build the world's second largest audio brand, right? The consumer story, तो अभी, as I always say, people ask me that consumer brand कितने बनेंगे इंडिया से? मैं तो कह रहा हूँ अभी तो, if you look at US, look at China, इंडिया में तो ब्रांड ही नहीं है. इंडिया में तो अभी, as you, always say, Indian brands are, we are just starting in India. I see so many times where, a small brand, a niche, then becomes like a mass, right? In my brand, when I was launching, when we were launching audio, people used to say, audio में कितना बड़ा brand बनेगा? Because it was like a accessory for a lot of people, right? It was like, even my dad said कि audio brand में तो audio तो, headphone तो free आता है mobile के साथ. But then now, you see us, we've created that category, it's become a mass. So I think that niches in India are still there and consumer journey in India like just started. That's what I believe in.
And as you have gone along, obviously, there have been a lot of learnings around how you build brands in India, right? You were one of the first to talk about influencer marketing when that did not exist as a toolkit in the marketeer's toolbox. And as this consumer keeps changing, how are you seeing more opportunities arise? What keeps you excited about the next 5 years?
So I love the consumers. I love changing consumers. In fact, I'll tell you a small story. I was, I work with like 25-year-old people in my company as marketers, right? And once they become 30, I feel they become defunct. They don't know the marketing because it's old school for them, right? So I remember when I was starting, I was on Facebook and I told people कि यार Facebook में ad करते हैं. So my marketing head was 22 that time. He says, Facebook में नहीं कर रहे सर, Instagram पे करते हैं. मैंने कहा क्यों Instagram में क्यों करना है तेरे को? Facebook में same लोग तो हैं, Facebook कर. कहता नहीं सर Instagram में करेंगे. मैंने कहा क्यों? कहता मैं Facebook में नहीं हूँ. तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं है? मैं उससे पूछा था. तो कहता सर क्योंकि मेरे चाचा Facebook में है. So now, India changes, right? India then moved to Instagram. I'll tell you a small example again. My daughter, right? I become, and I meet these young folks in my office. They're like, yo bro, what's up? So I also, I went home and I told my daughter, yo bro, what's up? And she's like, don't try to act cool. I said, why? Kehte, it's no longer bro, it's bro, right? So you see how the consumer has suddenly changed. Consumer is changing as we speak, right? There will be something new coming up. And that changing consumer is where I love that, and that is where brands like us keep changing, keep adapting, whether it's the distribution channel. I was, in the morning, there was, Swiggy who was here. My biggest growth is coming from quick commerce, and it is killing it, I'm scared, I'm not scared, but Amazon, Flipkart still is a big channel, right? But now look at how quick commerce is probably disrupting that. Flipkart had to launch a Tez, or Amazon ka Tez hai, Flipkart ka Quicks, minutes. So if they don't change, they'll die. They have to. Like we are all, as consumers, we are changed to, we are changing as we speak. And if consumers are changing, we are getting used to 15-minute delivery. And if you guys don't, then you will die. So I think that changing consumer keeps us fresh, whether it's distribution channel changing, whether it's marketing which keeps changing, whether it's products which keep changing, especially in our industry, the products keep changing. So, changing consumer, I love it.
And as a founder, 7-8 years ago, you were a couple of $1 million. Today, you're $500 million in revenue. There have been some changes in the way you look at your role within the organization, your growth as a leader. When you look back, and if you have to now say, okay, this is the kind of scale up that a founder has to go through as a personal journey, what would be your advice to founders who are starting off today and looking forward as they build out their companies which will disrupt the future?
So I think we also as Boat have made a lot of mistakes, right? And they were, I feel we were growing so well. We were here. We were like rock stars. Up next growth. फिर अभी 2 साल पहले, we realized that every founder goes through that journey, right? Where they don't know what next, right? And whether it's us, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Oyo, whether it's Ola, I think every founder goes through that ups and downs. And that's what I tell founders, that there will definitely be a journey which will teach you. And for us, that journey, we've evolved a lot, right? We've, when 2-3 years back, we started to professionalize the company. We professionalized that. Samir and I just left everything up. Now people will start managing and all that. And we actually felt that, it was a bad, in hindsight, right? That time, though, it was the best decision. But in hindsight, we thought that we should have done it differently. In fact, the only person who told us not to run so fast was Kaval. He says, "Pagal ho gaye ho? Ye kya kar rahe ho?" I was investing in some brand. He's like, "Mat kar ye sab." मैं सर बहुत अच्छा brand है next, और अभी हमें उस brand को write off करना पड़ा. So sometimes you need to have advisors, sometimes you need to have mentors, sometimes you have to have those. And we made our mistakes. We've learned a lot from our mistakes, and I keep telling founders that, in my life, I had no mentors. I didn't have a lot of mentors unless you guys came in. So if you've got good mentors, good investors, hold them tight and keep asking for the right advice from them. I didn't, and I made some mistakes there.
And a conversation with you today cannot go without a reference to Shark Tank. And obviously, you've become a celebrity. You are a super angel investor. When you are looking at the world of investing as one of the things that you do today, where are you seeing activity happening? What excites you about the pipeline of founders that you see, the quality of founders that you see? What's going on in the pipeline of your seed angel community?
मैं तो सर आप ही लोगों से सीखा हूँ. मुझे कौन सी इन्वेस्टमेंट आती थी. I remember the first time when you guys gave the term sheet, I came to you only कि सर ये term समझा दो, right? So I personally feel that I love the consumers in India. I think consumers are evolving. Like I never expected a company like Goodbug, right? Or there are which you have Kapiva, right? Or these smaller niche companies which might become the next big thing, right? I never expected such niches also to become big, and that is where I realized that India में तो the potential is so big that I love, even your, what do you, Pilgrim. I love the, Anurag has done so well. It's all consumer. When people used to think कि shampoo or consumer goods में नहीं है. People thought that consumer goods won't sell in India. I was in France. I was at the conference with Modi ji. I was sitting right next to the L'Oreal CEO. ठीक है? And I was, I have that kida of being a, as you call me, loose cannon sometimes, right? So I actually asked him, sir, there was a beautiful deal which happened in India called Minimalist. Do you know about it? Because Unilever got that deal. I love the founders. 5 years, 6 years back, people used to say कि shampoo brand बहुत हो गया है. Now Minimalist, CPG brands कम ज़्यादा हो गए हैं. 6 साल में company उठा के, whether it's a debate, whether it's a copy of Ordinary or whatever, the investors made money, the founders made money, the consumers are happy, and probably they'll do even better. What is Minimalist? 6-year-old brand from Jaipur, 2 startup founders did well. So I think there is so much on the consumer side that I tried. I earlier thought, it's good time that now I become, because of the celebrity thing, I can do, newer companies, newer areas. I think consumer में इतना कुछ है, I don't need to do anything. Consumer stories, what I will only invest. I'll tell you another example. In Shark Tank season 1, there was a company called Let's Try. So Let's Try, they make chips. They are not semiconductor chips. They are bhujia chips, right? And that company, I invested 12 lakh rupees, and I am now he gave me an exit opportunity for 12 crores. And I think, no, I will stay on till 120 crores. 12 lakh के 12 crore 2 साल में बन गए. So all tech companies में इतने पैसे नहीं बनाए जितने मैंने consumer products में बनाए. The reason, when Kaval was, you guys, Kanan sir, and you guys were saying कि ये conference हो रही है, मैं तो खुद बोला मुझे इस conference में आना है, because I wanted to meet, I wanted to learn, I wanted to meet, I wanted to understand where, and you guys are the masters of consumers, so understand where the next movement is happening, what to do. So I am a big believer, and if you see Shark Tank this year, outstanding. I'm investing. I shouldn't say this. You guys, there's so many investors. Nobody should reach there. I'm investing in this perfume company, right? And now that perfume company is already sitting at crazy valuation. एक Fay Beauty करके आई है. There are so many consumer companies. I think, जैसे वो कहते थे ना पहले, to all the Indians, ग्राहक भगवान है, right? There's an old saying called ग्राहक भगवान है, and I still believe consumer is the king. Consumer investing is the king.
The queen as well. Huh? The queen as well.
That means I agree, queen and equality. Yeah.
I think we can keep going on, Aman. Yeah. Aman's around for the rest of the day. I'm sure everyone has a lot of questions, but we're running a little short of time. We'll keep this short, but we'd love to keep the conversation continuing over the evening.
Yeah. And please call me next time also, not Varun.
Okay.
Not just Mamaearth. Boat is also important for you, right?
Thank you so much for the partnership, Aman. And thank you so much for the time today.
Thank you, sir.